Hey everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today, we're diving into something that might sound simple, but actually makes a huge difference when you're learning English.
Yeah, we're talking about consistency. Why sticking with your English practice day after day matters more than you think.
It's one of those things that's easy to overlook, especially when you're busy or when progress feels slow. But here's the thing. Consistency is what turns small efforts into real skill.
Exactly. So, if you've ever wondered why your English isn't improving as fast as you want, or why some days you feel stuck, this video is for you.
We'll break it down. What consistency means, why it's important, and how you can make it work for you.
All right, let's get into it.
First, let's talk about what consistency actually is. People often think it means hours of study every single day, but that's not true.
Yeah, consistency is about regular practice, showing up every day or most days, even if it's just a little bit.
So it's better to study English for 10 minutes every day than for 2 hours one day and then skip 5 days.
Because when you're consistent, you keep your brain in the habit of learning. You build momentum.
Think of it like exercising. If you work out once and then wait 2 weeks, your body forgets what you did. But if you move your body regularly, even in small ways, you get stronger over time.
English works the same way. Your brain needs repeated exposure, practice, and review.
And the word consistent here isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, not being perfect.
Exactly. Some days you might feel tired or busy. That's okay. Doing something small counts. Now, why does consistency make such a difference? Let's break it down.
First, the brain remembers better with regular review.
It's called the spacing effect. If you space out your learning, practice a little bit every day, you remember more.
When you cram or do all your studying at once, your brain struggles to hold on to everything.
So, consistent study leads to better long-term memory.
Another reason is motivation. When you build a habit, it becomes easier to keep going.
Right, the first few days or weeks can be hard, but once you make it part of your daily routine, it feels natural.
And here's what most learners don't realize. Consistency builds confidence.
Yes, when you practice regularly, you see progress. Even small progress feels good and pushes you to keep learning.
But if you study randomly, progress feels like a roller coaster. Up one day, down the next.
That roller coaster feeling can be frustrating. It's easier to quit when you don't see steady progress.
That's why consistency creates a smooth, steady climb in your skills.
So, what does consistency really look like? Let's get practical.
It doesn't mean hours of boring grammar drills. It means daily engagement with English in ways that work for you.
Like listening to a podcast during your commute, reading a short article, or chatting with a friend in English.
Even watching one episode of your favorite English show every day counts.
The key is to make it a daily habit, something you actually enjoy.
And don't wait until you have more time. Start small and build from there.
For example, commit to 10 minutes a day for 1 week, then increase if you want.
Another tip is to set reminders or schedule your English time like any other appointment.
That way, you treat your English learning like a part of your day, not an extra task. Okay, but what about when life gets in the way?
Yeah, we all face distractions, stress, and busy days. So how do you keep consistent then?
The first thing is to be kind to yourself. Missing a day isn't the end of the world.
What this really means is don't let one missed day turn into a week or a month.
Get back on track as soon as you can. That's consistency too.
Another challenge is boredom or feeling stuck.
To deal with that, mix up your activities. Try new podcasts, switch from reading to writing, or practice speaking with a new friend.
Variety keeps things fresh and keeps your brain engaged.
And sometimes it helps to remind yourself why you're learning English in the first place.
Whether it's for work, travel, or just personal growth, that motivation fuels your consistency.
Let's get strategic. How do you build a consistency plan that actually works for you?
Step 1, set clear, achievable goals.
Instead of, I want to be fluent, try, I want to learn 10 new words a week, or I want to practice speaking for 5 minutes daily.
Step 2, choose activities you enjoy.
If you hate grammar books, don't force it. Find videos, games, or conversations that feel fun.
Step 3, schedule.
Maybe mornings work best, or late at night. Pick a time and stick to it.
Step 4, track your progress.
Use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist. Seeing your streak grow motivates you.
Step 5, reward yourself. Celebrate milestones. Finish a book, have a full conversation, or complete a course.
Positive reinforcement helps you keep the habit alive.
Let's share some real stories. Like Maria from Spain, she started with just 5 minutes a day listening to English music.
At first, it felt slow, but she stuck with it for months. Now she understands movies without subtitles.
Or Ahmed from Egypt. He made a habit of writing one sentence in English every day in his notebook.
It took time, but his writing improved dramatically.
These stories show that consistency doesn't mean doing a lot at once, it means doing a little every day.
Before we wrap up, some quick tips to help you stay consistent.
Tip 1, start with what you love.
Tip 2, use technology, apps, reminders, online communities.
Tip 3, make it social. Practice English with friends or online partners.
Tip 4, keep a language journal. Write down new words, thoughts, or questions.
Tip 5, review regularly. Go back to old lessons to keep skills fresh.
So, to sum up, consistency is the key that unlocks steady progress in English.
It's not about being perfect or studying for hours. It's about showing up every day, even for a little while.
When you do that, your English will improve faster than you expect.
Thanks for watching English Learning Key. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.
And share your consistency stories or questions in the comments. We love hearing from you.
Keep practicing, stay consistent, and see you next time.
Bye for now.